Hello, good evening, students. We are live now. So, in this video, or we can say in this class, we are going to continue exercise 20B. Okay, so as you are coming, you can type your name. I'll just wait for 2 minutes for the others, and in the meantime, I just want to tell you can just go revise in formulas. So, I'll just show you the formulas. I hope your classworks are ready in front of you. There you have to make notes as well along with me. So these are the formulas. So till now we have done questions 1 to 6, where our first question is MCQ questions. Is my audio and video clear? Is my audio and video clear? Okay. Okay, then let's start. Okay, we are good to go now. So 35 students have joined the class. So let's start. I'm going to start from question number 7th. So you can see question on my screen. So first of all, as usual, whatever we do, let's figure out what is given to us, then what we have to find, and then we'll do the question. So let's start. There are two cones. The curved surface area of one is twice that of the other. The slant height of the latter is twice that of the former. So find the ratio of the radii. So what is given to us? So we'll see here. I'll just explain you. Two cones are there. So these are two cones. So let's say this is first cone and this is second cone. So it is given to us that curved surface area of the one. One means let's consider the first one. So if curved surface area of the one is twice of the other. See, twice of the other means two times. Suppose if curved surface area of second cone, because they have mentioned one here, so that's why see it's mentioned one. Curved surface area of the one is twice that of the other. So CSA of 1, I'll be just writing like this: CSA, curved surface area of first one. It is equals to twice of CSA of second cone. Because they have used this word, one is twice of the other. So first one I am just writing first. So that means CSA of first one, if I am assuming CSA of second one as X. So I'm just assuming. So then we can write curved surface area of first one is equals to twice means two times. So here multiplication I have to write 2 into X. So that is 2X. So here I will mention also. I'll just mention. So curved surface area of first is 2X and curved surface area of second is X. So this is first cones and this is second cones. I hope this is visible. Then the slant height of the latter. See here when we are talking, so first one is former, second one is latter. First one is former, second one is latter. So what they've mentioned, the slant height of the latter is twice that of the former. So that means if first one's slant height, I am just writing as L. So if this is L for first one, then for second one, what is the value of slant height? No, they have mentioned the slant height of the latter is twice of the former. So slant height of the latter is twice of that of the former. So if first one is x, so second one slant height will be 2 times. So twice they have mentioned, isn't it? Yes, 2L. So we have to find the ratio of the radii. So ratio of the radii we have to find. So here I'll write, so R1 by R2 we have to find. R1 by R2 we have to find. So whenever we have to see, we have to do our question from the starting itself, from what is given, from there we have to do. So curved surface areas information is given to us. Okay, so we'll make use of that information and we will find the ratio. So ratio, I will be starting from ratio itself. So I'll just clear this thing because I have to find some ratio. So when we are doing the solution, we will write that in ratio form only. So I'll take the ratio of CSA of first one and CSA of second one. So CSA of first one and CSA of second one. So that ratio I will take. So curved surface areas of first one is 2 times of the curved surface area of second one. Suppose the second one's area is what? Pi RL. So formula I am just writing because it's cone. So cone's formula is pi RL. So first one is 2 times of that. So 2 pi RL because it is 2 times. So now they have given us the information about slant height also. So slant height, they have given the slant height of the latter is twice the that of former. So here slant height also will substitute. So 2 pi RL. So this is R1 I am writing here, R2 I am writing. So if anyone can find this ratio before me, it will be good. So R1 I am taking here, I'll just differentiate because people will get confused here. So 2 pi R1 L, 2 pi R2L. So L's value also will substitute accordingly. So they pi RL. 1 second, I just did here wrong. So here, so first one's value I have assumed as L. So L, it will be L only. So second one slant heights, in place of L we will just write 2L. 4 is to 1. 1 by 4. Okay, so Monish has given the answer. Shiva Shankar, okay. 1 is to 4, Kirtana. 4 by 1. Okay. We will see. So here it is getting cancelled. Pi, I think I have done here one mistake. Aditya has also given me the answer. We'll just take the ratio, I'll write here. So curved surface area first one. So here I am writing first one's area by curved surface area of second one. So first one's value pi R1L. This is 2 times of the second one. So if second one is pi RL, so I can write it as pi RL and this is 2 pi R. So also they have given us the relation between the slant height. The slant height of the latter is twice that of the former. So if first is L, second one is 2L. So here everything 1 is to 1 we are getting. So how come 4 is to 1? So here we are getting 1 is to 1. So I can see the answer given is 4 is to 1. Abni. So according to me the answer should be, how come 4 is to 1? Every one of you are giving the answer. Yes, even Drone, every one of you are giving me the answer 4 is to 1. So first one's height they have given. The slant height of the latter is twice. Radii ratio. Yes, radii ratio when you are finding, see here, this is 2 pi RL. So here also 2 pi If you are finding ratio, so here 2L will come. So I am just writing here. So this full will get cancelled. So 1:1 we will get, isn't it? So radii also 1:1. Okay, we will just check this one because most of you are sending the answer as 4:1. Back answer is 4:1, but according to me, the answer should be 1:1. Okay, we'll discuss this then afterwards. I don't want to waste time. We'll come at this question at the end. The answer should be 1:1. Because if you just substitute the values, overall curved surface area, first one is 2 times of the second one. So second one, if area is pi RL, it should be 2 pi RL. But here they have mentioned the slant height of the latter. Latter is twice that of the former. So here second one's slant height is 2 times of the first one. So that means here 2L should come, here L should come. So everything is basically getting cancelled. So that's why it should be 1:1. Okay, we'll see this question because maximum of you are sending the answer as 4:1. I'll see this afterwards. Let's do the next question. Let's do next question. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone of diameter 16.8. A heap of wheat is in the form of, so again, cone is given to us. And cone, the dimensions are given to us. So what are the dimensions? Diameter is given to us. See, if diameter is given to us, that means radius is given to us. So diameter divided by 2 is radius. So 16.8 divided by 2 is the radius. Yes, so its radius is 8.4. 8.4 meter, and height is also given to us. Height is 3.5 meter. Find the volume. So volume, first of all, we have to find. See, it's been radius is given to us and height is given to us, and volume we have to find. So this is direct question. By using the formula of volume, we can do that. So volume of cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Yes. Yes, so height and volume is given to us. Height and radius is given to us. We have to find volume. So volume's formula I am just applying. 1/3, pi's value 22/7, r square. R is 8.4. I am just removing decimal. I am writing as 84/10 and 84/10. See, 8.4, when I remove decimal, 10 will come at the denominator. So that's why I am writing here 84/10. So 1/3 pi r square h. Height is 3.5. I am again removing decimal, and 35/10 I am writing. Now we can do cancellation wherever it is possible. So we know 7 into 12 is 84, and 3 into 4 is 12. So now I am left with 22 into 4 into 84 into 35 by 1000. So now we know 22 into 4 is 88. 88 into 84 into 35. I want you to do calculation. Don't do any cancellation. Just do multiplication, and we will just, this multiplication directly we will convert into decimal form. So Monish has given the answer 258. Yes, so it, after multiplication you will get 2587 to 258. What is the answer of multiplication? Multiplication's answer, because he has given the final answer 258.72 centimeter cube. Is it correct? I want other students also to give answers. 258. Okay, 258.720 we are getting. So if we convert into decimal, it will be 258.720. So volume we have found. Now Till here, first part of the question is done. We have to find how much cloth is required to cover the heap. So in first part, we have to find the volume. Now we have to find some cloth we requires to cover the heap. So for covering now, we need cloth. So in that case, we will be using now we will be using its curved surface area. They are telling how much cloth is required just to cover the leaf. So what I will do, because for covering, wherever these type of things are there, we have to cover the heap. So same surface area we will be finding, because that surface area that surface we are going to cover. So that's why whenever covering type of things come, what we have to do, we have to find curved surface area. Because only the top part, this curved part only we are going to cover. So that's how much cloth means we have to find the curved surface area here. So curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area's formula we know. It is pi r L. So L we have to find. L is slant height. That is not given to us. That we can use this formula. L is equals to square root of r square plus h square. So R's value is 8.4 square, height's value is 3.5 square. So what is the square of 8.4? What is the square of 8.4? So I'm not doing any calculations. You have to multiply and give me the answer. Square of 8.4 is 70.56, and 3.5 is 12.25. After adding them, what we will get? Yes, so after adding them, what we will get? 70.56, yes. So 3.5 also we have done 12.25. If we add them, what we will get? So 70.56, 12.25. L is 9.1. Okay, so square root also I 82.81. See, you after this you can find its square root, and after finding square root we will get its value as 9.1 meter. Now here we can substitute. So we used slant heights formula. After using slant heights formula, so here I think it's not visible. I can see. So this is just a little bit here I'll write. This is square root of 82.81. So which is 9.1. So 22 by 7. Radius is 8.4. So I will be writing as 84 by 10. I'm just removing the decimal. Slant height is 9.1. So 91 by 10 I am going to write. So this is into 12. So again 74, 7 into 12 is 84. Now 22 into 12 into 91. This you have to multiply. 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. See, don't do any cancellation, because then directly here we can convert into decimal. So 240.24 centimeters. The answer is being given. Cloth required is 240.24 meters square. So is it correct? So Monish is very fast today in doing calculations. But other students also should do. So is it correct? Anika has given the answer. Nikita has given the answer. Good. Even Aditya. That means it's correct. Let's do the next question. If anyone has any doubt till here, you can just let me know. If no doubt, then we can just start with the question number 9. Ninth question. Shall we start? If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Anyone, any doubt? No doubt. Okay, let's do question number 9. So I hope the question is visible. I'll just make it little big. So what is this question now? If you are given a rectangular canvas, so canvas width is given to us. So there is one canvas. Canvas means like a rectangular sheet. You can see this is canvas, and this they are going to make a conical tent. This sheet is going to be used to make a conical tent. So conical tents dimensions are given to us. First of all, this sheet's width is given to us. So uh, width of this sheet is 1.5 meter. Width of this sheet is 1.5 meter. And regarding this cone, its diameter is given to us. So that means radius is given to us. Radius of this one is diameter divided by 2, and this is equals to 24 meter. And height is given to us. Height is equals to 7 meter. So dimensions of cone is given to us. This metal sheet is being used to make this cone. So we have to find the length of the, because this question says what length. So that means what length means you have to find the length. So this type of questions we have done previously also when we were doing questions of cylinder. So now whenever you are doing these type of questions, I have told you earlier also, so both the areas will be same. So like area of metal sheet will be equals to area of cone. Now which area? So cone is a three-dimensional thing. So surface area of cone. So surface area of cone also, which surface area we will take? Because they have mentioned rectangular canvas. What length of the canvas would you require to make a conical tent? So tent also, it doesn't have any base. It has only the curved part. So tent has the curved part. So which area we should use? Should we use curved surface area of the tent, or we should use total surface area of the tent? 7 meter. Should we use curved surface area of total surface area of the tent? Curved surface area is, because see, tent, it doesn't have any base. So if this sheet is required, it should only be required to make this curved part. But here one thing we have to see, whenever whenever this rectangular thing is converted into cone, so much of wastage of the canvas will happen. So here they have clearly mentioned. So 10% of the canvas is used is wasted also. So now you have to use this thing. See, this area of metal will be equals to which thing? It includes the waste area also. So area of metal sheet, it will be equals to what? It will be equals to curved surface area of cone. It will be equals to curved surface area of cone, plus it will be equals to the 10% of metal wasted also. So this area will be equals to this thing. So curved surface area also, because you can see here something rectangular is being converted into triangular. So see, wastage is also happening. So we have to include that wastage also. So that's why this metal sheet's area, it will be equals to curved surface area of cone plus the 10% wastage also. Okay, so I hope this is clear, because you can imagine the thing, same thing, if you are giving cloth to make some dress, there also the cloth is in rectangular in shape, so much of wastage will happen. Same way here, the sheet is converted to some conical thing is triangular in shape, so metal wastage will happen. So that's why this area of sheet, it is equals to surface area of the cone plus the 10% of the metal wasted. Now metal sheet is in rectangular in shape, so length into breadth is area. Curved surface area of the cone is pi r L, then plus 10% of the metal use. So metal use is this pi r L. So 10% of CSA only, because CSA is only the metal which is being used in preparing this cone. So this is 10% of CSA. CSA is curved surface area. So L we have to find. First of all, let's find L. L is the slant height. So let's find L. So L's formula we know, L is equals to square root of h square plus L square. So this is equals to, height is 7. 7 square, radius is 24. So when you calculate this, so this is 49, this is 576. When you add both of them, you will get 625. So square root of 625 is 25. Yes, so Shiv Shankar has already given the answer. So its L's value we found 25. So it is correct. Now let's do the substitution. So length we have to find, its width is given to us. So width is 1.5. So L into 1.5 is equals to pi's value 22/7. R's value is given to us as 24. L's value we found just now 25 plus 10% of CSA. So we'll do one thing, CSA we can find. So 10% means 10/100 into this full thing. This is only CSA. This is only CSA. So I'll just rewrite the same thing, 22/7. Or else what we can do, we can multiply all and we can just write the answer, then here exact value we can write. So 22/7 into 24 into 25. Is it clear? Now here cancellation is not at all happening. First of all, let's simplify this thing. Just multiply this and tell me the answer. Multiply this and tell me the answer. Here 1 0 1 0 we can cancel. Other than that, cancellation, this part we can do. 5 into 5, 5 into 2, then 2 into 11. Other than that, no cancellation. So solve this one. Because here these calculations are very lengthy. Okay, Aditya has given the answer. So this one is okay, this is 1885.7. So we'll do one thing. Instead of doing this, we'll write directly 10% of, so 10/100 of this only, 1885.7. Because this is CSA we found, so we can directly write that only. So this will become 1885.7 plus, here because 110 is there at the denominator, so this will become 188.1. Decimal will move towards left side because of this 10 at the denominator. So 188.57. Just add them. So here I have L into 1.5. Just add them. 1382,000. Is this the final answer? I don't need final answer. I just need the answer of their addition. I need the answer of their addition. This I just clear. So what is the answer of their addition? You can tell me. Okay. Raya has sent the answer. So I'll just write here L into 1.5 is equals to 2074.27. Now see, we have to find L. So that means this 1.5 will shift to other side. If we shift it to other side, it will get divided. So 2074.27 divided by 1.5. This you can do cancellation and tell me the final answer also. What is the final answer of this one? What is the final answer? I think Monish has given the answer. So this one is 1000. 382.85 meter. My, is my voice audible now? Am I audible now? Yes, I saw that earlier some lag was there, but now it's proper. Am I audible? Okay, so 1382.85 is the required length. So first part of the question we have done. You can just take a screenshot, or I hope you are writing along with me because I need space here, so I'm just going to clear this thing. Okay. So first part of the question is done where we have to find the length. So length of the metal sheet is equals to 1382.85. Yes, so Tarun has given the answer. Yashaswini ji are. Okay, let's do the second part of the question. So what is second part of the question? They are mentioning here, find the cost of the canvas. So cost we have to find. So whenever cost we have to find, so that means total cost we have to find. So total cost is what always? So we have to find the cost. That means total cost we have to find. So total cost is always cost per meter into total length. Cost per meter into total length. So per meter cost we know it's given to us in the question. This is rupees 24 per meter. So it's given to us in the question per meter cost is rupees 24 and length we have found just now, so 1382.85. So if you multiply this you will be getting the total cost. So yes, what is the total cost? Multiply this and tell me the answer. What is the total cost? Okay, so Shiva Shankar has given the answer. It is 33,188.4 rupees. 33,188.40 or 4. So this is the answer. This is the total cost. Is this question clear? Till here, anyone, any doubt? Yes. So we all are getting the same answer. So that means this is the correct answer. If anyone has any doubt till here, you can let me know. Or else if no doubt, let's do the next question. So next question you can see on my screen. Yes. Can we do next question now? If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. Okay, let's do next question. In next question, what is given to us and what we have to find. So a solid cone, a solid cone of height and base radius is melted and it is recasted into identical cones. So one solid cone is there. So first of all, I told you whenever recasting is there. So if recasting is there, which concept we have to use? If we have recasting involved, we have to, back answer is different. Back answer of the previous question is different, correct? Okay, we'll check that. We'll check. Let's. I'll check that question and we'll be doing that. Volume is same in both, so okay. Yes, so whenever recasting is there, we use the concept of volume. Volume will be same. So one solid cone is there. Solid cone, it is really casted into many cones. So solid cone, I'll be just writing. So whatever is the radius, I'm writing with capital R. So radius of the base radius is 6 centimeter. And height I'm writing as capital H. This is 8 centimeter. So one solid cone of radius 6 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. It is recasted into many cones, and those cones radius is, see, diameter is 1 centimeter. If diameter is 1 centimeter, so radius will be 1 by 2. So that we can write as 0.5 centimeter. So this is entirely centimeter, and height is 2 centimeter. Height is 2 centimeter. So we know this thing, volume will remain same. So volume of second cone, volume of bigger solid cone. So bigger I'm just writing, or we can use the word solid, as solid is mentioned in the question. Volume of solid cone is equals to volume of n smaller cone, because we don't know how many cones are there. So I'm just assuming the number of cones be n. So n smaller cones. Volume of solid cone is equals to volume of n smaller. So we'll just write the volume formula. So this is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is equals to, because I have assumed it's a solid one's dimension as capital R and capital H, so I am writing that way. N into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now we can substitute. See, this entire thing, because n we have to find, will shift to other side. We have to find n, so that's why the entire thing we will be shifting to other side. It is getting multiplied this side. When we shift it to other side, it will get divided. So 1 by 3, r's value I am writing, this is 6 square, so which is 6 into 6, height is 8, divided by, because this entire thing I shifted to other side, so it is 1 by 3 pi r square. R's value is 0.5, so 0.5 into 0.5 into 2. So this is equals to n. 1 by 3 pi and 1 by 3 pi will get cancelled. So we'll remove decimal from here. So one decimal from first 0.5, second decimal. So here I'll be getting 100. If we remove decimal from denominator, so 100 we will be getting at numerator. You just have to remember. So 2 into 3, let's do cancellation. Then 5 into 20 is 100. Then again 5 into 4 is 20. So what I am left with now, here I'll just be writing. So I'm left with 3 into 6 into 8 into 4. Three into 6 into 8 into 4, you can multiply. Which calculation is wrong? Okay, so Puneet has already given the answer, 576. So if we multiply everything, what will be the answer? We'll be getting 576, but I want more students to share the answers so that we can make sure there is no mistake. Are you all getting 576? Am I audible? 576. Okay, Shiva Shankar has given the answer. Other than that, I want other students also to share the answer of multiplication. 576. Praveen, Ketana, Tejas has given the answer. Okay, so that means it's correct. 576. Okay. So anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. My voice is breaking. Let me check. I want everyone to just tell. See, in my device, the voice is clear. You just leave the class and join it again. No, ma'am, your voice is breaking. See, if I am checking on my other device, I can see it's clear. That's why whoever feels my voice is breaking, please leave the class and rejoin. Okay, let's do next question now. Question number 11th. One second, let me check them. Is my voice clear now? It's clear. Is the question visible? It's clear, okay. Okay, so question is also visible on the screen. Good, let's do the next question. See, in this class, I am going to finish this exercise and I am going to give you few practice questions. So make sure don't leave the class before that. So question number 11th I am going to do. Let's write the given things. The total surface area of a right circular cone of slant height is, so what is given to us? Slant height is given to us. So L is given to us. L is 13 centimeter and also total surface area is given to us. So they have mentioned total surface area of a right circular cone of slant height 13 centimeter is 90 pi. So total surface area is how much? 90 pi. Slant height is given to us 13 centimeter. Total surface area is given to us as 90 pi. So we have to calculate its radius in centimeter only and also we have to calculate its volume. So very easy question. We'll make use of total surface area's formula to find the radius. So total surface area of cone's formula we know it is pi r into L plus R. So we are just using the formula of total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone is pi r into L plus R. So its value here I am going to write. So total surface area's value is 90 pi. I am just substituting here pi as it is. Then R's value we don't know. L's value is 13. I am going to substitute here L's value. So 13 plus R. Yes. So pi and pi will get cancelled because if this pi you will shift to other side, it will get divided. So pi and pi getting cancelled. So 90 is equal. So let's multiply this R. So I'll be getting 13R. So I'll just rewrite here. See 90 pi is there. Other side if I shift pi to other side, it will get divided. So and here I am left with R into 13 plus R. So that's why here pi and pi I just cancel directly and R we can multiply. So 13R into R. So 13R plus R into R square. So you can see here we have got a quadratic equation. So 90 will shift to other side. So I am just writing it in a proper way. In standard form of a quadratic equation R square. So first of all square term. Then linear term which has variable with degree 1. Then 90 if I shift to this side it will become minus 90 because this side it is positive 90. Other side nothing is there. So if nothing is there that means 0 is there. This has become a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation we can solve by any of the method either using quadratic formula or by splitting the middle term. So I am going to do it by splitting the middle term. Product is minus 90. Product of first and last. This first term is 1, last is minus 90. So 1 into minus 90 is 90. Then middle term is equals to positive 13. Middle term is positive 13. Now we know we have to split 13 into such a way. So it will be, I will directly be doing, you can factorize and if you multiply 18 with 18 into 5. 18 and 5 if you consider because 18 into 5 is 90. So positive 18 and negative 5, if you consider, you will get the required things. So here I am just writing r square plus 18r. See, quadratic equation I am not explaining because we have already done. I am just solving it by splitting the middle term. So 18r minus 5r minus 90 is equals to 0. So this is one pair, this is one pair. So we can simplify. I'm just going to clear this part. So after taking common from first pair, r is the common. So I am left with r plus 18. From second one, minus 5 is common. So again I am left with r plus 18. Because if minus is outside the bracket, the inner signs will get changed, equals to 0. So now r minus 5 into r plus 18 is equals to 0. One of the value you will get r minus 5 is equals to 0, or r plus 18 is equals to 0. So one value of r you will get 5, positive 5. Another value of r you will get negative 18. See, when you shift minus 5 to other side, it will become plus 5. When you shift plus 18 to other side, it will become negative 18. So we don't accept the negative value of r. So that's why r's value is equals to 5. So many of you have done this before me. Sanjay, Tarun, Aditya, Zara, Shiv Shankar, Tarun, Praveen, and Suchitra. Okay, so that means correct value of r we have found. So that was the first part of the question. Second part of the question says find its volume. So volume we have to find. What is the formula of volume? Volume also Shiv Shankar has found, very good. So let's find the volume. Volume's formula you can send. What is the formula of volume? So volume of cone is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we know here slant height, we know the value of radius, but we don't know the value of height, vertical height, h we don't know. So we'll make use of this formula. We know L square is equals to h square plus r square. We'll make use of this formula and find the value of height here. So r square will shift to other side. So L square minus r square is equals to h square. So let's substitute their values now. So slant height's value is 13. So 13 square, r's value is 5. So whole square, because this square also let's shift to other side, it will become square root. So what will be the value of height we will get? Height is equals to 12. Okay, good. So let's simplify. So this is 169 minus 25 square root. So this when I simplify 144, square root of 144 is equals to 12. So 12 centimeter. So many of you have done before me. So height we will be getting 12 centimeter. Now we just have to find the volume. So let's write pi's value there. They have clearly mentioned 3.14 we have to take. So I am considering the same value 3.14. I am just removing decimal and writing 100. So 314 by 100 into r square. R's value we found 5. So 5 into 5. Height we figured out 12. So let's simplify this. So 3 into 4 is 12. Then 4 into 25 is 100. So I'm left with 314 into 5 into 5 is 25. Then here also 25 at the lower side. So this will get cancelled. So what we are left with 314. So 314 centimeter cube. Is it correct? So this is the value of volume we are getting. Aditya. Aditya is sending some other answer. I'm not sure. Did I go somewhere wrong? 1 by 3 pi's value they have mentioned here. So in case if it is mentioned 3.14, say then we have to consider that value only. Yes, so Yatin, Tarun has, so Tarun you are giving some other answer 134. What is the correct answer? 314 centimeter cube. So I hope this answer is correct. Navya has given the answer. Anika has given. Aditya, yes. So I think you were taking different value of pi, so that's why you were getting different answer. But in this question, especially it is mentioned you have to consider the value of pi as 3.14. So this is very important thing. Accordingly, you have to consider the value of pi. So it's correct. Okay. We are good to go to the next question. Question number 12. See, don't leave this class. I will be just completing this exercise. I am just reminding you. So we have 14 questions. I will be solving that and I will give you few practice questions. Okay. So let's do it fast. And before leaving also, I'll tell you that time only you have to start sharing your names again. Okay, let's do next question. What is given to us, we'll write that and what we have to find. So the area of a base of conical solid is 38.5. So area of base. So base area's formula I have already given to us. So I'll be writing that. All these things we have to write in terms of formula also. So in terms of this also given thing. So base area is given to us as 38.5 centimeter square. So volume is also given to us. I am writing that. So volume is 154 centimeter cube. Base area is given to us. Volume is given to us. We have to find the curved surface area of the solid. So curved surface area's formula is pi RL. So that means for finding curved surface area, we should have the value of radius as well as lat height. So we'll make use of base area and volume to find the value of both of these. So let's start. First of all, I'll tell you area of base or base area's formula. So base area is equals to pi r square. Base area is nothing but base here, it's a circle. So that's why its area is pi r square, which is area of the circle. So whenever you see base area, you should always write, like I told you, circumference is 2 pi r. So same way, if base area words come, that means you have to write it as pi r square. So volume is also given to us. Let's write the value of volume also. So volume's formula we know. So volume of cone, it is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So you can see here pi r square is coming. Pi r square is coming here also and pi r square is coming in base area also. So that means I know what is the value of pi r square. This is 38.5. The value of pi r square is what? It is 38.5. So I will just substitute here. Volume's value we will substitute. Volume we know it is 154. I am just writing here 1 by 3 as it is. This pi r square is nothing but it is base area. So in place of pi r square, I am writing its value as 38.5 into h. Now h is an unknown variable here. We'll keep this on this side. Other things will shift to other side. So that means 154 into 3 is getting divided. So when 3 we will shift to other side, it will get multiplied with 154 and 38.5 it will get divided because here it is getting multiplied by h. So I shifted these two. Let's remove decimal. If I remove decimal here, we will get 10. So I have just removed decimal. Now we can do cancellation. So always prefer doing cancellation. So 5's table we can do 5 into 2. 5 into 2, this is 5 into 7, again 5 into 7. And we know this thing, 77 into 2 is 154. Like we can do cancellation, 77 into 2. So height is what? 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. So 12 centimeter. Height is equals to 12 centimeter. Are you all getting the same answer? 12 centimeter. Those who are playing along with me, is the answer of height correct? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter, yes. Monish has given the answer correct. So height we have found. Now second thing, because the required thing is to find the curved surface area. So for curved surface area, we actually don't need height. We need R and we need L. We need R and L. So we have found H. So now what we will do? Again we'll make use. This I am just going to clear. Height is 12 centimeter. You are all have got same. Good. Now we'll make use of base area once again. So base area is what? Base area, it is pi r square. Base area's value we know it is 38.5. Pi's value we know it is 22 by 7. R square as it is because we have to find the value. So these things I'm just going to shift to other side. So 38.5, I'm just removing decimal. It will become 385 by 10. This 22 by 7, if I shift to other side, it will become 7 by 22 is equals to r square. R square means square. If I shift to other side, it will become square root. Now we can do cancellation. Cancellation, if I do 11 into 2, this is, or we can do on 5's table first. Because we did earlier also. No? This is 5 into 2 and 5 into 77. Now, the square root I'll be, this is inside square root. Everything is happening inside square root. Or square root, square I'll shift afterwards. So 5 into 2, 5 into 77, 11 into 2, 11 into 7. So what I am getting? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 under the root. So that means what is the value of r we will get? What is the value of r we will get? Because square root, every pair we will take out as a single number. So r's value we will get 7 by 2 because this is one pair. Square root, you know, pair we will take out as a single number. So I can simply write 3.5 also. So r's value is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Now r we have found. We have to find L also now. We will make use of the formula. We know L square is equals to h square plus r square. Height we already found that was 12 centimeter and this is 3.5 centimeter. So under the root L. So L is equals to 144. 12 square 144. Yes, so radius. Nikita, just join the class again. 3.5 square, when you find it will be 12.25. So when you add them, you will get 156.25. 156.25. So just calculate its square root's value and tell me. You can calculate the value of square root and tell me what we will get. It is 156.25. 156.25, what we will get? My voice is breaking. I can see it's clear. I don't know why. Okay, tell me what is the square root of 156? Am I audible? Ma'am, your voice is breaking in between. It's 12.5. So 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so we have found both the values. Now let's do substitution. So we have found L. Now substitution. So 22 by 7. R's value we found as 3.5. I can just remove the decimal. This is 12.5. So 125 by 10. So 7 into 5. 5 into 2. 2 into 11. So 11 into 125 by 10. Just multiply this and tell me what is the answer. So what is the answer we are getting here? 137.5 centimeters square. Is it correct? Yes, so Aditya has given the answer 137.5 centimeter square. So yes, we have found the correct answer. So curved surface area of cone is 137.5 centimeter. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. Two more questions are there. We'll just complete the questions and then only I'll just, because the questions are not very lengthy. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? If no doubts, I'm just going to start with the next question. So next question is little lengthy. You can see here. No doubt. A vessel in the form of inverted cone. So one vessel which is in the form of inverted cone. So inverted cone like this it will be. Inverted cone. So vessel is in the form of inverted cone. Up to brim means completely it is filled with water. Its height. So its height is given to us. Height of this is 32 centimeter. Height is 32 centimeter. And also diameter is given to us. So diameter means radius is given to us 25. It is 25.2 divided by 2. So radius you will be getting 12.6 centimeter. So radius is 12.6 centimeters. So one cone is in the shape of, it's a cone, but it is inverted cone and it is filled with water up to its top. Its dimensions are given to us. So radius of the cone is 12.6 centimeter and height of the cone is 32 centimeter. 6 equal solid cones. Yes, radius is 12.6. So 6 equal cones. Equal cones, when they are saying, that means of those cones in height and radius is same. Like these 6 cones are, so I'll just draw a different color. So like these 6 cones. So 6 cones are just 6 equal cones are dropped into this so that they are fully submerged. So in the 6 cones are dropped, as a result, 1/4 of the original water it overflows. So what happened when six cones are dropped into that? So 1/4 of the water flowed out. 1/4 of the water flowed out. So what is the volume of each cone submerged? I hope you have understood the question. Here what happened in this question? One cone is there. Once again, I just repeat. One cone is there. It's inverted cone. It's filled with water up to its brim. Means up to top it's filled with water. So in this 6 equal cones are dropped. So 6 equal cones, when the cones are dropped, what happened? Water flowed out. So 1/4 of water, original water, it overflowed. So we have to find the volume of the cone which is dropped into the water. Is this question clear? So this is what given to us. So one basic thing which we have done in each and every question also. See, volume of here, volume of 6 cones. Because after dropping 6 cones, 1/4 of the water overflowed. So that means volume of this type of question, submerging type of questions we did in cylinder also. Whenever something is submerged, that means that volume will be equals to the volume of rise in water or the volume of overflowing water. So volume of 6 cones here, it is what? It is equals to volume of overflowed water. Volume of overflowed water. The volume of 6 cones, these 6 cones are the smaller cones. 6 cones are the smaller cones. So their total volume will be how much? So 6 into pi r square h. Because it's a cone. So 6 into 1/3 pi r square. So for smaller cones, I am using small r and small h. So for this bigger cone, I will use capital R and capital H. So this is equals to what? 1/4. because volume of overflow it's given to us, it's 1/4 of the original. So 1/4 into 1/3 pi r square h. So volume of the 6 cones it will be equals to volume of the overflowed water. I hope this is clear. Now we have to find this thing. So this thing, let it be in this form only. I will not write it in the formula form. I will just be writing it this way. So I will just be writing as 6 into volume of each cone. I will not write it in the form of formula. 6 into volume of each cone. So this 6 also let's shift to other side. So volume of each cone will be 1/4. So this 6 also will come down into 1/3. Pi's value we have to take as 22/7. R's value is 12.6 or 126/100. Here into 126/100 into height is 32. I hope this is visible. Now let's do cancellation. So cancellation when I am doing, so 3 into this is 42. So this is 4 into 7 into 6. Then 4 into 8. Then 6 into this 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So I'll just rewrite what I am left with. So 22 is there because here everything got cancelled. After 22, I am left with 126 into 8/100. Just multiply this and tell me the answer. No, ma'am. It's not visible. This thing I'll just rewrite. So this is 1/4 and the 6 also we are shifting down, so 6 also it will come here. Here 1/3, then pi is 22/7, r is 126, so 126/10 I am removing decimal in 126/10 and this is height is 32. So let's do cancellation now. So 4 into 8 is 32. Then that is 3 into 42. 7 into 6. This 6 and 6 will get cancelled. So we are left with now 22 into 126 into 8/100. Yes, so Praveen has given the answer, even Monish has given the answer. It is 221.76 centimeter square cube because volume we are finding. It is not 27.72, Yashaswini, it's wrong. So it is 221.76 centimeter cube. So here volume of 6 cones, it is equals to volume of overflowed water. So volume of 6 cones we can write 6 into volume of each cone, which is equals to 1/4 because 1/4 of the water is flowing out. So 1/4 into 1/3 into pi r square h. So 6 we will shift to other side and this calculations we will do and this is the answer we will get. So last question we are going to do now. If anyone has any doubt, you can just let me know. We are going to do last question of this exercise. After this question, I'll be sharing few practice questions as well. If any doubt is there, you can just write your doubt. I'll be taking after this question. So volume of a conical tent is given to us. Volume of a conical tent is given to us. I am just writing what is given and what we have to find. So volume is 1232 meter cube. Area of the base floor. So base area is given to us. Area of the base floor means what is given to us? Base area. Base area is equals to 154 meter square. What we have to find? We have to find radius, we have to find height, and we have to find length of the canvas required to cover this conical tent. So these are the things we have to find. Okay, so I'll just write here, radius we have to find, height we have to find, and length of the canvas we have to find. So this we will start from volume itself because volume is given to us. So volume of cone is equals to 1232 meter cube. So volume formula I apply 1 by 3 pi r square h. The volume of cube is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is equals to 1232 meter cube. Now base area is given to us 154. So regarding base area, I have told you base area is nothing but it means pi r square. Base area is pi r square. So here we do have pi r square. Here we do have pi r square. So in place of pi r square, what we will do? We will just write down its value, which is 154 into h as it is. We will write so 1232 meter cube. So now these numbers will shift to other side. H will be on this side. So h is equals to 1232 divided by 154 because 154 getting multiplied that side into 3. 3 that side it was getting divided by height. This side it will get multiplied. Now let's do cancellation. So this will get cancelled on 11's table. So I think it is 11 into 14. And this one 1, 2, 3, 2. It will also get divided in 11's table. 11 into 1, 11. Then 11 into 1, 11. 22. 1, 1, 2 it will be. So 11's table I am just doing cancellation. So 1, 1, 2 I got. 1, 1, 2. So what I am left with now? 1, 1, 2 like 112 into 3 by 14. I think 14 and this will get cancelled on 2's table. 2 into 7. 2 into 556. So 7 into 8. 8 into 3, 24. So height is equals to 24 meter. Height is equals to 24 meter. So we found the value of height. Height of the cone is 24 meter. Okay, so radius is also, okay, base radius we can use and find. So that also we can do. So first of all, because we have to find radius as well as height, so I found height by using volumes formula. I'll just write. So height is equals to 24 meter. You can check whether it is correct. Now let's make use of base radius formula. Base radius formula, sorry. And then find the, I know this class is getting a little long, but only one question. So base area is pi r square. Base area is 154. Pi's value 22 by 7 into r square. 22 by 7, let's shift to other side. 154 into 7 by 22 is equals to r square. So 22 into 7. 22 into 7 is 154. Now in many questions we have done. So you should, I think you should remember these things. So 7 into 7. R square is 7 into 7 square. If we shift to other side, it will become square root. So that means R is equals to 7 meter. Yes, so R is equals to 7 meter. Height is 24 and radius is 7. So last part of the question we will do. I'm just going to clear this. Last part of the question they are telling. So what length? What length of the canvas? See, canvas sheet is there. Canvas sheet means rectangular sheet. So sheet they want to use to cover the heap, cover the cone. So same concept. This area of sheet, it is equals to area of cone. So area when I am using, so surface area of cone. So surface area also when we are using, it is curved surface area because curved part we will be covering. Curved part we will be covering. So area of sheet as it is rectangular in shape. So length into breadth. This is equals to curved surface area is pi RL. So pi RL We know the value of R, we know the value of H, but we don't know the value of L. So that means we have to find the value of L. So L's formula we will use. So here I am going to do, and you can remember now it's a Pythagorean reflect also. So L is equals to 7 square plus 24 square. 7 square 49. 24 square 576. You will be getting 625. So answer is 25 meter. So these type of numbers you can remember also. Very commonly use 7, 12, 25. Always it will be. So you can just remember. Yes. So L is it correct? Because Apunit has given some different answer for L. I want you to check. Because in the flow maybe sometimes I go wrong. So L we have to find. Breadth is given to us 2 meter. Pi's value 22 by 7. R's value 7. This is 25. So this will get cancelled. So L is equals to 22. This 2 will shift to this side. It will get divided into 25. So 2 into 1, 2 into 11. 11 into 25 is 275 275 meter. Yes, L is show previous radius answer. Previous radius answer I have already cleared. When this class will get over, you can just rewind. It will be there because I have cleared that. Yes, so length of the canvas is 275 meter. I did little fast because all the concepts were old concepts. This was the last question of exercise. Yes. Now you can see few practice questions. You can see the questions on my screen. You can take a screenshot and you can just do these questions. 10 questions I am giving you. You can do these questions. In case any doubt, you can just ask me. Gauri, Abhinandan, Praveen, Kisunavya. Okay, so this is correct answer. I hope you can see the practice questions on my screen. Can you see practice questions on my screen? Practice questions on the screen. And also I want to see here two questions I was getting different answer. See, one of the question was the first question which we did, that was the question number 7, and the other question was that back answer was not matching. So those two questions I just checked, and if anything wrong here we have done, so I will clarify those things in the next exercise. At the starting of the next class, I will just clarify that. Okay, so whatever is there, those questions I'll clarify. Now we have just completed this exercise. It's not clear. See, I don't know, it's clear to me. See, whenever you feel it is not clear, once the class getting over, again you can just see this and take the screenshot that time. I'm not sure whether why it is not clear. You can just give me your names and you can leave. Okay, bye everyone, and those two questions I'll be discussing in the next class. Good evening.